Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Welcome to my class. I hope all of you are fine. Let's see. Here's the bridging. I hope you have solved it, and here is the answer of that bridging. Today we have belief number 22, in which we have to distinguish and use linking, feeling and possession verbs. Breaking the action myth. You probably learned that verbs are always doing words or actions. However, many verbs show absolutely no action at all. Let's see. There are three main building blocks, or there are three main verbs that do not show actions. Like, first is linking verb, second is possession verbs, and third is feeling verbs. What is linking verb? It connects subject to its description. What is the function of possession verbs? It shows ownership and belonging. What is the function of feeling verb? It shows emotion and preferences. Let's discuss linking verb. Linking verb do not show actions. They show a state of being, a condition or a feeling. For example, here you can clearly see that here we have subject, and with yellow color we can see a bridge, which is linking verb with its description. Common linking verbs are is, am, are, was, were, seem, become, appear, feel, look, sound, taste and smell. These are some linking verbs which connect your subject with your description. Here we have example, the house is small. Here the word is a linking verb, and it connects the subject with its description, that is, the house is small. She looks happy today. The soup tastes delicious. Here we have an important note. Notice how nothing is moving. When you look at these verbs, you can see that there is no motion in it. Linking verb only tell us what the subject is like, never what the subject does. And you can see that these verbs showing us that what subject is like, and it does not represent any action. Let's see. Possession verbs hold our inventory. It show ownership and belonging. We have three possession verbs. First has, second have, third had. We use had in past tense, and we use has with a singular and have with a plural. They act like containers holding the subject's inventory. Choose the right blue block. Follow the arrows to find exactly which possession block your sentence needs. Are you talking about the past or a wish? If you are talking about the past, you have to use had possession verb. And if you are talking about the actions in present, then you have to use has or have. You have to use has with singular subject and have with plural subject. Packing the container. Here we have some examples. I have two pencils, and here the verb have show us the possession that we have two pencils. She has a new school bag. They had a picnic yesterday. Here you can see there is an adverb yesterday, which means this tense is in past, and we have to use had with it. I wish I had more time to read. It's a wish. Then lastly we have feeling verbs. Feeling verbs tell us how someone feels or what they like and prefer. They often act just like linking verbs, operating as a bridge between a subject and their emotions. In this, these verbs show how someone feels, like or prefer. Common feeling verbs are like, love, hate, prefer, feel, etc. Here we have some examples. I like reading storybooks. Show a positive preference. Secondly, we have he feels tired after school. It shows a physical or emotional state. She prefers juice to soda. Show favoring one thing over another. Here we have sum up of the lecture. First we have linking verb, second possession verb, third feeling verb. What is the job of linking verb? Act as a bridge. What is the job of possession verb? It act, yeah, or it shows possession, inventory. What is the function of the job of feeling verb? It adds atmosphere. Key questions: what is the subject like? Examples: am is look, taste, then possessive verb. What belongs to the subject? We use have, has, had as a main verb, then feeling verbs. What does the subject prefer? Like, love, prefer, feel. Okay, bachcho, here is your formative check. Do it in your class, in your workbook as well. Here's your homework. Do it at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Okay, bachcho, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.